Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the online class of English Grammar for Grade 4. Here I am teacher Mr. Snaula. My dear students, I hope you will be fine. Today we will initiate our new topic about pronouns. So there are a lot of pronouns, but today we will study the status of pronouns as subject, object or reflexive pronouns. You will find these activities or exercises on pages 81 and 82. Before you do the exercise, please make it clear about the concept of subject and object pronouns. The words like I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These words are called subject pronouns. For each subject pronoun, we have got a respective object pronoun. For example, for I, you will say me, you, he, him, she, her, it, we, us, they, them. The words me, you, him, her, it, us, them are called object pronouns. The words like you and you, it are also used as object and object pronouns. Same. Then how do you know whether it is subject or object? So you have to read the sentence first of all. For example, the teacher gives you a new lesson. The teacher gives you a new lesson. In this sentence, you is an object pronoun. But if I say a sentence like, you go to school, now you is a subject pronoun. So you have to see the sentence and get the meaning. Then you will know whether this you is a subject pronoun or object pronoun. And the same parameters we will adopt for the understanding of subject and pronoun it. I hope it will be clear to you. Here is another flow sheet of subject and object pronouns. I, me, you, he, him, she, her, it, we, us, you, they, them. On page number 81, read each sentence and circle the pronoun. Write S on the line if it is a subject pronoun. Write O if it is an object pronoun. My mom doesn't like him. In this sentence, the object pronoun is him, that will be circled, and on the small line, please write O, capital O. Number 2, I read a chapter every night. In this sentence, the subject pronoun is I, you will circle, and for that purpose, you write only capital S on the small line. Number 3 sentence, sometimes they go to the zoo together. Please circle they. THEY will be circled they. It is a subject pronoun, and for this subject pronoun you will write capital S. Number 4, will the captain say hello to us? Please circle us and write O on the line. Number 5, you can ride in the car with Jesse. Circle you. Now it is being used as a subject pronoun, so you will write S on the line. Number 6, the girl didn't invite them to the party. Them is an object pronoun. The word them is an object pronoun, so you will write O on the line. Please don't forget to circle them. Number 7, Laurie gave the book to me. The word me is an object pronoun. Please circle it and write O on the line. Number 8, it can run on batteries. The word it is a subject pronoun. You will circle it and write S on the line. Number 9, the ball almost hit you. Now this you is an object pronoun. You will write O on the line. Number 10, she is the best soccer player on the team. The word she is a subject pronoun, so you will write S on the line. On page number 92, we will not deal with subject or object pronouns. Rather, our concern will be reading and understanding reflexive pronouns. Yes, it's a new topic for you, so please be more attentive. For each of the subject pronouns, we have got reflexive pronouns. For example, for the subject pronoun I, you will say myself, you, yourself, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself, we, ourselves, you, yourselves, they, themselves. I will repeat, I, myself, you, yourself, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself, we, ourselves, you, yourselves, they, themselves. The words like myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves are called reflexive pronouns. On page number 82, you will circle the correct reflexive pronoun in parentheses to complete each sentence. I almost hurt myself while walking down the stairs. Please circle myself. Number 2, the cat licked itself after eating dinner. Please circle itself. Number 3, my dad bought himself a hot dog at the game. For dad or father, you will circle the reflexive pronoun himself. Number 4, Lila and Raul did all of the work themselves. Lila and Raul are the names of two persons. So for these two persons, you will choose the reflexive pronoun themselves. Number 5, did you both get yourselves some ice cream? Yourselves will be circled. She watched herself in the mirror across the dance floor. She watched herself. Number 7, we helped ourselves. We helped ourselves to the fresh lemonade. Number 8, the snake coiled itself into a tight ball. The snake coiled itself into a tight ball. Number 9, put yourself in my position. Put yourself in my position. And number 10, the last one, I find myself wanting to help you. I find myself wanting to help you. So you will choose the reflexive pronoun myself for the subject pronoun I. So that's our exercise. My dear students, here is a little homework. You will revise the exercises about subject, object and reflexive pronoun, and also read any short story. Find as many as subject, object and reflexive pronouns. Make a list of all these kind of subject, object and reflexive pronouns on the notebook, and again come to your book for the clarity of the concept. Thank you very much for attending the online class. See you next time, and bye bye.